Hey team, in this video we're going to be talking about a program called SideHustleIncome.net where we're going to show you how to take $150, turn it into $6,000 plus per month and recurring monthly residual income. Let me say that again. We're going to show you how to, with SideHustleIncome.net, turn 150 into 6,000 plus per month residual income. We're going to roll this. I'm going to talk about it on the other side. Hey folks, Tim Thomas here. I could not be more excited about this program that we've got before you. We're going to show you some income examples. Before we get into the video, make sure we like the video, hit the notification bell so when I upload a video, you will be the first to know. Before we dive into SideHustleIncome.net, you come over to the channel. The channel's about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. 2024 and beyond will be the year and years of residual income. Residual recurring income is the theme that we're going with. I talked to our upline yesterday, Greg Buffet, about residual income was the focus that we need to be focused on here forward. Now, you know, some of the other programs, the fast money programs are exciting. The big ticket programs are exciting. But let's, whatever we do, keep residual income on the front of our minds, that we can build it to $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 plus per month, utilizing a system that is very exciting to use. We're going to show you with SideHustleIncome.net. I got several videos on Side Hustle Income. You can just key Side Hustle Income, Timothy Thomas, and we'll get you going. Let's dive into the Side Hustle Income. We'll go over here. I'll let the video play. I'll show you what it's about and what you could potentially do with it. Now, if you can mail a flyer, you can easily earn it $5,000 plus per month. Greg has designed, he's our upline team leader, has designed an incredible flyer that you can mail. Of course, the company provides 150 postcards as your product package. And also, Jose Green has made us a postcard that looks just like the flyer. So either way, you get in where you fit in. You find out, does the flyer resonate with you or does the postcard resonate with you? But we can get you going either way. We are going to look at this presentation, folks, and we're going to go from there. Before I go into the presentation, I do want to point out the sales letter. Let's look at the sales letter that we've got. We've got a new 404 phone number on there that's available, and it is converting like gangbusters. People are calling this number. Let's see if I can blow this up a little bit. Here's the flyer, and people are joining. And this flyer is converting like it's nobody's business. It's about 1.5%. Anything direct mail is over 1%, you're doing excellent. This flyer is converting at about 1.5%, 2%. Folks, I kid you not. It is powerful. Greg, it's got the, this is the front side of our flyer. Pause the video. Dial this number, 404 418 4819. 404-418-4819, and listen to the information. And yeah, this is the flyer. Very powerful, very exciting about it. And here are the prices. There's also an optional cover letter that can be printed on the back side of the flyer. This is proven to work strategy. You can print the flyer on the front side, and on the back side, again, it can have the cover letter. But for the sake of the video, I'm not going to go through the entirety of how it looks. But that's exactly how it works. The flyer, and then you can, you know, put your information in and get it down to Greg, and he'll get it ordered for you. There's that beautiful flyer. It's absolutely incredible. Highly converting flyer. We're all excited about it. So that's where we're at with the flyer with SideHustle.net. Let's watch the video, folks. I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to come back to you, close the video out. But SideHustleIncome.net is something you want to take a look at. Everybody on our team is going to have access to our website. It's going to be www.yoursidehustleincome.com. Once you're ready to become a member, join as a member, you're going to click here. It's going to take you to the main website of the company. The main website of the company. It's going to get you over to the site. You can put your name, your information in, and then you can become a part of the monthly subscription program. You pay $150 today, and then it's $150 per month, folks. And look at all the benefits that you're going to get. We're going to watch the video. I'm going to show you all the benefits. You're going to get 150 leads on pill and stick labels, 150 postcards, 150 personalized ID stickers, a copy of our monthly newsletter. Dawn, the owner of the program, she emails that out every month. A master copy of your personal flyers in your kit, your first kit. Let me show you this here. This is exciting, folks. Introducing SideHustleIncome.net. You can turn 2 to 3 hours a day or a week into extra cash flow. Be your own boss. You can work from home. Flexible lifestyle, work and balance. And folks, as a bonus, if you saw this video, mention that you saw this video, I will give you 3 rolls of stamps to get you started. Just my way of saying, hey, welcome to the team, and we want to get you started. With your $150 per subscription each month, again, let me reiterate, you're going to get 150 mailing labels, 150 postcards, 150 personalized ID stickers, a copy of the monthly newsletter, and when you enroll a member, folks, you're going to make $25 per month per member. Enroll 20 members, you're talking about $1,500 per month. 50 members, $3,750 per month. 100 members, you're at $7,000 per month. And then when those people start bringing in people, folks, you're going to get those $25 overrides on the second level. Let's play this video quickly, and let's just see how powerful this system is, and I'll give you my final thoughts. Let's give it about 3 minutes and 40 seconds to view this video.
Let's face it, unemployment is a...
Hang on tight, guys. What I'm going to do, let me see if I can turn it up, turn the sound up. Let's go over here. I want to make sure you hear this really good. Let's brightness. Let's go to sound here. We're going to get this thing turned completely up if I can't. Master volume. Here we go. We're right there at it. Let's go to play the video.
Let's face it, unemployment is a constant threat. The entire industry is downsizing. Let me ask you a question. If you lost your job tomorrow and couldn't find work, say, for 8 weeks, would you have